Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an eye-opening topic, 7 reasons why 99% of people fail on YouTube. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. If you are watching this video, I know you are also a content creator and planning to start a YouTube channel or have a YouTube channel. It is true that the vast majority of YouTube creators still need to achieve massive success or significant income from their channels, but they are not able to do it. Well, frankly speaking, I am not a great advisor about YouTube. But what I have seen in my past year of experience that I will surely share with you, along with the solution that you need. Let's come straight to the point. Content quality. Well, if you are just started a YouTube channel, then maybe it is the case that you are not able to properly speak in front of the camera. But apart from these basic errors, everyone does at the start. The main thing is to produce engaging content, which is crucial for success on YouTube. The reason why big creators have a very huge fan base is that they always try to make you feel something. You have to choose something that will touch the viewers emotionally. Good informative content can also be emotionally connected. Many aspiring creators struggle to produce content that resonates with viewers and keeps them coming back for more, not investing in right resource. I think when you are starting a YouTube channel, then invest in 4 things only: tripod stand, mic, light, and background. Don't worry if you are thinking that it will cost more, than it is not the case. Poor audio. Many YouTubers don't focus on one main thing while creating videos, which is audio. For a time being, a person can compromise your video, but if your audio is poor, no one cares about your content. So here is the link to the mic. You can buy this one according to your budget, but make sure you invest in one. Boya by M1. Maono 004 condenser microphone, Granaro J13 wireless mic lavalier microphone, JBL commercial CS-LM20. Poor lighting. Think like this: you are a viewer and you are watching great content, but his face is not properly visible to you, or there is not enough light. So will you watch it? Don't worry, you can spend on either one of these. They are the cheap but best ones. Osaka professional LED ring light with tripod stand, Godox softbox, Tyget ring light with tripod stand, Digitech LED ring light with tripod stand, Amazon Basics LED ring light with tripod stand. Per background, if your room is so messy that will destroy your video, or if you don't want to show it, just use a green screen or any backdrop, because it is easy to remove and replace with another background while editing your videos. Green screen backdrop background, gray screen backdrop background. More competition. Well, if I ask you one question, that, when will you get subscribers? If your YouTube videos get more views, right? You can think on your own that with millions of creators uploading videos regularly, it can be the case that the video that you are making on a topic is already been made by some other great creators with a great title, thumbnail, and engaging content. If it is the case, then your videos will not get ranked and will not get enough views, and at last will not convert as your potential subscribers. So what to do in this situation? Should you stop making such content? The answer is definitely not, because every person in this world is different, and the way of content research and content delivery can be different, not consistent enough. Building an audience and winning with competition problems on YouTube requires consistent content creation. Many creators fail to maintain a consistent uploading schedule, which can lead to a decline in viewership and audience retention. Apart from the comedy niche, I think every creator posts at least one video in a week, which is obviously their success key to being more successful day by day. If your niche is your passion, then you will never be out of topic. In your niche, you can be out of content. If you still feel that your niche is very narrow, then try choosing another very related niche, or you can recreate your own content with some updation on it. Wrong niche selection. I know choosing the right niche is difficult for you, and also it is vital for YouTube. Some niches are oversaturated, while others might have limited audience appeal. Picking the right niche that aligns with your interests and expertise is crucial for long-term success. Well, if you don't know how to pick your niche, the best solution I have found is that forget about your niche and think about the target audience and try experimenting by making your videos according to it. There will be a time when your few videos will get more views. So now you got your niche and your target audience. Lack of patience and perseverance. Be patient. If your videos are not getting views, it may be that there is less demand for your content, or maybe your thumbnail and title are not correct. Give some time on your channel, your videos, and yourself. Do keyword research properly and create more videos as you can. Building a successful YouTube channel takes a very long time and perseverance. Many creators give up too early when they don't see immediate results, without realizing that success often comes after consistent effort and dedication. Monetization challenges. Earning significant income from YouTube can be difficult, especially for smaller channels. Meeting the requirements for YouTube's partner program and generating enough views and engagement to make substantial money can be a daunting task. But if you will keep creating, experimenting, and improving your content day by day, there will be a time when you will know that YouTube monetization is not the only way from which YouTubers generate money. Then your real earning will start from that time. For the time being, just enjoy creating your videos. Don't create videos just to only increase numbers. Every video you make should be valuable to those who are watching them. So trust me, guys, and thanks if you have watched this video so far. In the end, if I need to say, in short, what you need to more focus on is, be patient. Don't think about viewers, subscribers, and monetization at the very start. Just create engaging videos and try to improve yourself and your content with time. Thank you all for watching this insightful exploration into why so many struggle on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our future content. Until next time, keep exploring with LuxQuest.